Okay, folks, in this third and final video for section 3-1, we're going to cover the vocabulary example. So in the figure, we're supposed to classify the relationship between each pair of angles as corresponding, consecutive interior, consecutive exterior, alternate interior, or alternate exterior. So we have 7 angle pairs we're supposed to classify. We'll start with angle 1 and angle 5. If we look at those two angles, they are on opposite sides of the transversal. They are outside of the lines being transversed. That makes them alternate exterior. So 1 and 5 are alternate exterior, or E. What I'd like you to do, that's how we're supposed to do this, is please pause the video and try the other 6 examples, and then we will go through the solutions. So on number 2, we're asked to classify angle 2 and angle 4. If we quickly take a look at those, 2 and 4 have the same orientation at different points of intersection. That makes them corresponding angles. So you should have said A, corresponding angles. On the next one, we have angles 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are between the lines being transverse, which makes them interior. They are on the same side of the transversal, which makes them consecutive. So those would be consecutive interior angles, or B. Angles 2 and 6, those are on opposite sides of the transversal between the lines being transverse. That makes them alternate interior angles, or D. Five and 7 are same orientation at different points of intersection. That was not the right tool. So 5 and 7 would be corresponding angles, or A. 1 and 4 would be on the same side of the transversal, outside of the lines being transverse. That makes them consecutive exterior angles. So that would be C, consecutive exterior. And finally, angles 2 and 3 are on the same side of the transversal between the lines being transversed. That makes them consecutive interior angles, or B. You've got a homework assignment to do over this. Please make sure that you're paying attention to the directions. It's due on Monday. Thank you for your time. Actually, I shouldn't say due Monday because that's only true for the pre-APs. So it's due. Don't forget to do it.